So let us solve this problem. If the triangle ABC is given, then such type of another portion of the triangle, like this one is 30°, this one is 10°, and this as a whole is given just like from here to here, it is just like 80°. So you are requested to find this portion of the triangle. So how you are going to find this one? So first, this one is 80, this one is 30 plus something. Let us say this one alpha and this one is beta. Then we know that the sum of the interior angles of a and this one and this side are equal. So that means it is an isosceles triangle. So you are requested to find the value of m. So the first thing, just that means, so alpha plus beta plus c, alpha plus b plus c is equal to 180°. So if this one and this one are just the same or equal, that means just A is equal to C, right? This one will be equal to C. So that means 180 minus 80° divided by 2. If we sum up this one, this alpha, this A plus C plus B is equal to 180. So this is 80° given. So that means 180 minus 80 over 2, which means 100 over 2, which will be 50°. So that means each part A is equal to C is equal to 50°. So that means if it is 50, 10 plus 40°. If it is 50, this means 30 plus 20°. Right? So next, what we are going to do? We find this one, we can also find this one. It is just 140, right? Because 10 plus 30 it is 40. 40 plus 140, it will be 180°. But after that, it is not possible to find this value and this value. So what you are going to do, you have to go for sine law. In a law of sine, you have to go for just the first, the big triangle. The larger triangle, just AC over sine 80 is equal to AC over sine 80. Sine 80 is equal to like BC over sine 50 is equal to AB over sine 50°. So this is AB, the opposite this degree. So this is BC opposite this degree, and this is AC opposite this degree. So that means this is 50°, 50°, they are the same. So let us go for this one. You can choose AC over sine 80 with this one, or AC over sine 80 with this one to find the AC value. So what we are going to do, just let us define this AC over sine 80 means just sine 2 times 40° is equal to BC over sine 50 means just sine power 2 minus 40°, or in other words, it is sine 90° minus 40, right? So that means you can just make it sine 90 minus 40°, the same thing. So this means AC over sine 2 alpha means sine, so sine 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So based on this, sine 2 times 40° means just 2 times sine 40 cos 40, right? Based on sine rule. The other one, sine 90 minus 40 means just cos 40 degree, because just cos pi over 2 minus alpha means sine pi over 2 minus alpha means cos alpha. Based on this rule, this value is just like this. So that means, let us come back here, AC over 2 sine 40 cos 40 is equal to BC over cos 40 degree. So AC means BC times 2 sine 40 cos 40 divided by cos 40. This one by this one cancel. Then AC will be equal to, AC is equal to BC 2 times BC sine 40, right? 2 BC sine 40. So the first thing is, this one is the first equation. So the second one, just you can go the second one, just take this triangle only, this part of the triangle. So this part of the triangle, just like this is 140, right? 140. This one is 10, and this one is 30. So that means this is AC. Then this one is assume M. Just let us just represent it M. So that means AC over 140. This is 140 is equal to, we are looking for MC. MC, how much this measures. So MC over the other side, this is 30 degree. This is sine 40, this is sine 30 degree. So let us find the AC value. So AC is equal to MC times sine 140 over sine 30 degree. So sine 140 means sine 180 minus 40 degree, 140. So it will be cos sine 40 degree, right? So AC is equal to MC times sine 40 degree over sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree, which is 1 over 2, right? So it will be M's 2 MC sine 40 degree, right? So this is 2. Question 2, we find this AC to MC sine 40 degree. So what we are going to do next, now let us substitute that value here, this value of AC, right? To MC sine 40 degree is equal to, with this AC value, how much? To BC sine 40. To BC sine 40 degree. So let us divide both sides by 2 sine 40 degree. By 2 sine 40 degree. This one by this one by this. So that means MC is equal to BC, right? So if MC is equal to BC, that means MC, this one is equal to BC. This side is equal to this side. So how much is this angle? This is 40 degree, right? 40 degree. So what does it mean? 40 degree plus, assume this one is just theta, this one is gamma. Theta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree. But since this side and this side are equal, that means theta is equal to gamma. Then we can represent this one as 40 plus 2 theta, because let us gamma is equal to this one is equal to 180 degree, 2 theta is equal to 180 minus 40, theta is equal to 140 over 2, which means 70 degree. So this value is 70 degree and this one is 70 degree. Then if these values are just 70 degree, 70 degrees, what angle we find, what are the values of the angles? Now we found 10, we found this one 40, we found this one 70, this one is 70. So this one is 140, this one is 30, this one is 20. Now what is left? This one is left. So this is total, it is given to us, it is 80, right? So 80 minus 70, it is 10 degrees, so this is 10, right? So then m is requested, which means 180 m is equal to 180 minus 20 plus 10, right? Which will be 150. So this is 150. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.